Morning everybody.
Morning.
And welcome to day 5. We had a big day yesterday, so we've had a nice lazy... That was Luke in the bath, whooping.
I think he might have just turned
Turn the jets on.
Really nice jacuzzi bath in the one-bedroom villas.
Luke was last seen in a bubble bath with Animal Kingdom
leopard print
ears on. So we're having a lazy morning. It is still beautiful. The weather's been great. Had a few sort of rainy bits. What time is it?
It's coming up to 20 past 10.
20 past 10, so the three of us are all washed and scrubbed and ready to race. We've done a little bit of laundry, a bit of ironing. And something that's really, really important if you're doing a big holiday like this is to have a few rest days, because you'll get way more out of the parks. I think when we first started coming to Disney, it was like every day you've got to go park, 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 park. But I think it's really, really important, especially if you're staying on a Disney resort. You've spent so much money getting here. You should really explore the park and spend some time, because the resort, because there's so much effort that's gone into where you're staying. The pools are great, the service is great, all the recreation areas are great, on whether you're staying on a moderate value or deluxe, and you'll just get way more out of your holiday if you plan some decent rest days. And we've just come off the back of some quite long days. So today we've just had some coffee. We're just going to get the villa a little bit straight, and then we're going to head over to
Disney Springs.
Disney Springs for a bit of a mooch. When we made our reservation originally, we got a $200 gift card, so we're going to redeem that. I think Luke wants a football shirt and Daisy probably wants some bits and pieces. We're going to meet up with our friends over there, spot of lunch, and just take it nice and chill. And then I think the main plan is to come back, spend some time in the pool, maybe a cheeky bit of Uno around the pool, and a couple of drinks, and then just a really, really easy day. So we'll see you probably at Disney Springs. T-Rex is great fun if you've got small kids. All the dinosaurs and stuff. It was really noisy when we went in there. What do you think of T-Rex?
The food was actually pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty standard, like burgers and ribs.
Yeah. But if you're going for a fun dinner and you have kids who like dinosaurs, or if you have if you have kids and want to keep them entertained with something, it's perfect.
That is a winner.
But yeah.
For a more refined dining experience, then don't go.
Yeah, it is fun. I will say that it's fun, but it is a bit hectic.
Yeah.
Have a nice chat with them, chill out.
Yeah, it's not the place to have a nice conversation with people.
It was very noisy.
Yeah, but it was good. The food was pretty decent, and yeah, it's perfect for kids.
Yeah, lots of roaring.
Yes.
So if any of you are into Lego, this has got to be like the mecca of Lego. Pardon?
I love Lego. I'm pretty tempted to buy some. I want like a camper van. So cool, look.
New hat for Daisy. So, you're doing the Beast.
My fave.
So we just picked up a gift card. Make sure that you take your voucher and photo ID, so we took passport. So yeah, $200. Funny what we were saying earlier this morning. I saw a chap in there from England travelling with his wife and 3 boys, 3, 8 and 10. They've been hitting the parks 9 days straight and he looked fried. So yeah, don't be that guy, take some time out. The sandwich is great. Pin trading. All the pins you're ever going to need. And we're going to start off in the Christmas store. See if we can spy a Christmas decoration. Because we try and get one. Well, we do get one every year. So this Christmas store's open year round. It's always Christmas in here, Days. Aircon. This store will have everything about Christmas.
And like end of the year.
I like that one. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
I can't have found a winner so early on. Oh, I really like that one as well.
I like this one.
This always happens.
What?
We all get everything we touch.
I like this
that one.
I like this one.
Want that one?
Or that one.
So we've just popped into the Disney art store. I've been in here before. It is very cool.
There's something you might like over there and it's $150.
Everywhere I go, there's something that I want.
These leaves, obviously they're
I like that one.
these ones here are they're more affordable than the others, like the big ones. Just see them together.
That's a bit creepy.
Over there, the original. I like those too. It's like safe to say are the originals.
Got loads of nice prints. So for $40, that's probably
Coming home in a suitcase.
that's going straight in my basket.
Right in my basket.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah. So if you're into pins, this is the place for you. How are you? Very well, thank you. Smells amazing. Oh,
They do savoury as well now.
Get one of them.
which one?
Whipped pineapple one.
Yes. Okay, so we've just popped into Amorette's. What have we got here?
Pineapple eclair.
Pineapple Claire. We've heard about these.
So good. It does look really nice. Just how we're going to eat it.
We've got some Prosecco and some free waters. Daisy's going in first.
Can I have the pineapple?
You can have whatever bit you want.
No need for words.
How good is it? You're up, Trace.
Just gotta tidy up the edges.
Thank you for that.
Right.
Sure, how should this?
The white chocolate on top. So good.
You good? Do the honours, Dazo. There's a lot of edge tidying up. So there's this bit for me.
So light.
So good.
I'm not getting it back.
So good.
I'm going to get another one.
The leg's shaking.
I'm just going to tidy up the edges.
Alright, we're gonna do tiny bites now.
It's very good. It's all gone.
That took about a minute.
Didn't last long.
We had 2 bites each. It's really good.
It was lovely. It was so light, creamy. If you can't leave any. It was really good. It really did taste like a Dole Whip and
It's like a Dole Whip and pudding mixed in one, and the white chocolate on top was
that made it a bit creamy.
really good.
Solid 9.
Yeah, solid 9.
Where are you? Uniqlo.
Uniqlo,
You like this store because
cheap. Well, it's not cheap, but for
yeah,
and they do Disney clothes that are quite cheap,
yeah. So
like cheaper than the other stuff.
so this T-shirt here is $14.90. So what would like a normal Disney shirt be?
34, 32 maybe.
It's nice and cool as well.
I like this hoodie sort of dress thing.
Yeah, they
I
got.
just see myself like slouching around in there. This is really nice.
It is nice.
I really like that.
Tons of stock as well. Loads
Yeah.
of different stuff.
They've always got lots of stuff.
Well worth a look. So we've ditched the girls. They're shopping. We're at Jack Lindsay's Hangar Bar having some beers, massive pretzels, buns. That's what's so perfect about Disney Springs, isn't it? We can ditch the girls. Get on the smash.
I've been put on the spot big time here.
They've been put on the spot. Yeah. So here we are.
Give me my buns.
So what have you got there?
Got some bao buns, mate.
For sharing. We got a massive
Say
pretzel.
what you like, mate. This is mine. I'm gonna notch right
So yeah, so the girls are doing some shopping. Luke's having a. Oh dear.
away. I want that to happen.
Yeah, it's really nice. So if you look up on the side by where that napkin thing is, to the left of there, see those little boxes? They're like little takeout boxes if you don't finish it.
Oh, you're just gonna help yourself.
Yep.
Brilliant.
What do you think, team?
It's pretty good.
Tasty.
Really good.
Thoughts on Blaze Pizza?
Put it in a mouthful, but thank you. Really awesome.
So good. I've got mine to take back with me because I didn't finish it. I'm trying to put yours in there again.
I will do.
Just Blaze.
Space.
Just Blaze.
Just Blaze.
It was epic.
It was really confusing. I could have done with a bit of time to look at the menu before I got here because I was a bit confused, a bit panicky.
Disagree.
So I just went for a sort of off the menu thing, and then they asked me to add stuff, so I was a bit okay, I'll add stuff.
I didn't think it was that easy. I thought it was easier than Subway.
Well, Tracy and I did panic a bit, but the youth.
They're all over it.
Right, here's how I would put it. I think you panic because it's unknown territory.
Yeah,
Here's
yeah.
unknown
But,
territory.
need to research it beforehand.
okay, we need to all keep a level head here because everyone's getting very, you know,
I've got
on edge.
I've got pizza rage.
I think we need to remain calm.
It was delicious.
It was delicious. No, look, you go in, and it's pretty simple. Basically, you go to Daisy was the first one to do it. You go up and they go, what kind of pizza are you having? And basically you say build your own or whether it's one off the menu. And you go, alright, so I have to build your own. She goes, okay, we'll sort that out in a sec. So I go, what sauce do you want? I'll have that one please. Put the sauce on, alright, I'll pass it to my colleague here who will hook it up with all the meats. And I do like a bit of meat. He goes, what meats do you want? I'll have that one, that one, that one. Or you say what you want. It's decent, I'll pass it on to the vegetable person. What vegetables do you want? That one, that one, that one. Done. It's as simple as that. Easy.
Easy peasy, no panic.
Easy peasy, squeezy lemons.
When you sit down, you get your fashy thing. When it's fashy, you go and get your pizzas, which is great. And if you don't want to eat it all, they give you these boxes.
That's the coolest thing, and you don't have to go and ask for these boxes. They're up by like, yeah. Scores out of 10.
9. That's like 9.
No, I feel like I overcomplicated my pizza slightly because I saw loads of stuff and I went, I'm having all that. And it was really nice, but when I had a bite of Daisy's pizza and Mum's pizza, and yours a bit, I thought they were all brilliant. So as a total, I'm going to give it 9 pizzas out of 10. 9 slices out of 10.
I'm going for a 10. That was the 10.
Strong. I've got pizza in my teeth, but
Blaze Pizza.
I'm wearing white shorts and got like black oven crumbs all over me.
Yeah, but for you wearing white clothes, that's good. You've done well.
What are you trying to say?
Blaze Pizza, Disney Springs, for me is a 10, 9.
9.
Yeah, it's really
oh,
good.
and dining plan quick service, so
Yeah, done it. Yeah,
happy days.
yeah. He's having a cheeky drink at Splitsville.
Having a cheeky G&T.
What are you having, Daisy?
Gonna get cola slushy.
And a Blue Moon. Nice and quiet. Well, once again we ran out of time, so we're filming the end of yesterday this morning, but there was another great day. We've not spent an entire day at Disney Springs before. The girls did tons of shopping. Luke and I had a couple of snacks at Jack Lindsay's Hangar Bar, and then we went to Splitsville for some drinks and a few more snacks. We had lunch at Blaze, and it's amazing. One of the best pizzas we've ever had. Really, really good. Great value. You can use that on your dining plan as well for like a quick serve lunch. And then we ended up listening to some music and having a few drinks at House of Blues, which is where we stayed till the end. Quite a late night, especially for us. So yeah, another great day. Got back fairly late, so yeah, it was another great day. So thanks for watching. Cheers, ears.